Hi, thanks for watching my video. In this video, I want to show you how to create this 2D drafting and annotation by using AutoCAD software. Okay, so firstly, we use the line command, press enter, then click here, move to the right, with the value of 98, press enter, then move downward, with the value of 13, press enter, then move to the left with the value of 27, press enter, then downward with value of 25, press enter, then move to the right with value of 36, press enter, then move downward with value of 62, press enter, then to the left with value of 27, press enter, then move downward, downward with value of 13, press enter, then to the left with value of 62, press enter, then move upward, value of 75, press enter, then to the right, value of 9, press enter, upward with value of 25, press enter, then to the left with value of 27, press enter, then you can simply type C, press enter. Okay. Alright, so next, I want to draw the circle over here by using the circle command, press enter. Then I click to this midpoint, then click to this end point. Okay, repeat the same command, circle once again. Then I click to the center. I put the radius 25, press enter. Then I draw a circle once again. I click to this midpoint, then type D for diameter, press enter, then I put the diameter is 25, press enter. Okay, so next I want to draw the rectangle by using the REC command, press enter. I click over here, then I put the dimension is 25, 50, press enter. Okay, by using the move command, press enter, I move this rectangle to this midpoint. Okay, next I want to draw fillet over here. So by using the line command, press enter, then I click to this edge, then I put the value to alliance 2.5, then angle I put -45, press enter. You can see the line. Then I mirror this line to the left by using this as the base point, as the mirror line, press enter. Okay, next, by using the rectangle command, I draw the rectangle once again. So for this rectangle, the dimension is 42, 19, press enter. Okay, then I move this rectangle here to this midpoint. Then I draw the rectangle once again with dimension of 50, 42, press enter. Using the move command, press enter, and I move this rectangle inside here. Okay, so you can see the line is not extended. So by using the extend command, I extend this line like this. Okay, next I want to fillet this rectangle. So by using the fillet command, press enter, click radius, I put the radius 3, Then I click to polyline, simply click to this rectangle. You can see the edge already filled. Then next, I draw the line by using the line command, starting from this point to this point. Okay. Okay, to this point. Press enter, then repeat the same command. I draw the line from here to here. Okay. Using the trim command, press enter twice. Then I trim this circumference. Then I erase this line. Okay. Lastly, I want to put the hatch. Okay, I want to hatch this object by using the hatch command. Press enter. Okay, I choose this pattern. Then I click to this boundary. Okay. Press enter. Alright. So done with our drafting. Okay, lastly, we can plot this drafting. Then we can preview the PDF file. So, okay, thanks for watching my video. Keep follow my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe for more video and tutorial. All the best. Thank you. Bye bye.